Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep adding to our student submission interface and features as such. So, let's take a look at what we finished. This is what we've done, right? Have a basic interface. Now, the upload feature, upload file, I'm still thinking how should we handle that? Like local file, Google Drive integration, all that good stuff. We'll figure that out maybe later, but for now, I just want to get like a general sense of idea going here. So we're just gonna allow them to submit text for now. Okay, just like text submission. Okay, so let's go add a button. If I remember correctly, this is the right thing. Submit. Oh, sorry, wrong face. Okay. Let's refresh the page. Okay. So we need a CSRF token here. All right. Let's take a look at views.py here. Okay. Let's just say, oh yeah, I need a backend for it too. Review assignment student. Right. Okay. Oh god, I wrote semicolon or colon. Good job, me. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so now I have post set up, right? Student submission, did I input that or something? Okay, so it has a mission here. Ready to go. And let's go create a submission, shall we? User file assignment text. So user is to request the user. Files is none for now. Assignment, well, that's gonna be the assignment right there. And text. Work, I think that's how I called it. Okay. So, again, every time student can only allow like one submission. So, yeah. And then we can redirect them back to this page. All right, so we have string. Let's say slash classroom slash class ID slash assignment slugged. Just like that. And we're done. Okay. Good enough. Okay, so in here we're gonna do something different. Oh. All right, let's do this. Try submission. Let's say submission equals none. Try submission.objects.get. User is that assignment is assigned. Text, whatever. Accept submission dot does not exist. Doesn't do anything. But in here I want to say submission equals submission right there. Okay. So then let's add submission as one of the argument we want to pass back. So in here we can render is going to do this. If submission, now just check if it's not no, as long as it's not like none, this if statement will always be true. If it's not none, then that means they already submitted, right? At least logically. Okay. Here let's say submission.work. Excuse me. This button, and then we'll also say disabled. And then we can do else. If it is no, then it's just gonna be regular. In fact, to prevent them submitting the format at all, instead of RVF token will only be exists. This else part like that. Alright, I think we're getting ourselves somewhere now. Okay. Alright, let's try it out. Hi. Check out my YouTube channel. Let's see. Alright. That's the text, right? Let's see submit. Usually it will not work because my program never works first try. Looks like I need to refresh my page or something. Hello world. Hello world works. Simple enough. Okay. That's weird. Typo probably. Yeah. Typo right there. Some people probably saw and yelling at me. But there we go. Now that's fixed. Let's get this sorted out. Perfect. Well, no, it's not perfect. Unless, well, ah. Okay. Oops. Okay. So, I'm just gonna open this up. So, let's go to class submission. Alright. Files, no, that's fine. Text is hello world. Okay. Really? So I shouldn't submit. Well, whatever. Okay. Ah, I know. Is it dot? Oh, it's dot, not dot word. Dot what? Dot text. All right. That's really weird. And of course, I just quit the connection. Oh, cause stopped it, didn't I? Well, silly me. Okay, perfect. That looks great. Now I can add the unsubmit. Like, you can, unsubmit. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother to do that right now, maybe. Okay. Well, actually, since we are on this, yeah, let's just do the unsubmit as well. So basically, instead of submit, they can unsubmit. They can unsubmit, and it will not be disabled. So unsubmit, we will, yeah. So if you click on submit, it will refresh the page. Yeah. Okay. So I want to add a paragraph. No. When you click on submit button, this submission will be deleted. This action is irreversible. Yeah, it's not that dramatic. Yeah, when they click on submit, what I probably will do is I want to implement an internal fetch API then. So in views, I guess we can say delete submission API. When you request, that's pretty much it. All of them will be handled in here. It has to be post. Right. Let's see if I did this somewhere, because I don't quite remember. Okay, I'm gonna go to my project, and I'm just gonna steal some code from my own project, because when doing fetch from JavaScript, it's like how can it's like a requests library in Python, but in JavaScript. Basically, it's kind of different. Like you can't just get the data using like what request.post. That won't work. So, well, we'll have to figure out something out, right? So figure something out. So there's another way to do it, which is, if we're lucky, it's time has something to do with JSON. I don't remember what about JSON though. Ah, here. Data, yeah. Okay. So in here, we'll do this. JSON.load, so that means we need to import JSON. Okay. I'm gonna close it. Okay. Right. Request. I think it's just request a post, maybe. Yeah. So I think we can just do data bracket. So when you're sending fetch request, I need I don't need the user. I have the user. I need the assignment, the class, and the assignment, right? Okay. That is ultra helpful. Okay. So class ID equals data bracket. Class ID. Since in JavaScript, the name gonna be a little bit different. Okay. Slug. So it's a assignment slug. Slug. There we go. Assignment. Okay, perfect. Alright, perfect. Success is true. Okay, so basically what we did here is one the class ID, one the slug. That will be provided in the fetch. We also need a CSRF token. That will be fun to handle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Now I hope I know how to do this. So let's see if I can find, because if you need the CSRF token going to be a little bit. CSRF token JavaScript fetch in Django. It's gonna redirect me to Bang again. I don't know why. Some stupid Chrome uses Bang instead. I guess what I can do is just do CSRF exam. Yeah, I'll do CSRF exam for now. Not the best, but not the best, but what I have to do, I have to do. Okay. So I think it's also used across CSRF exam somewhere. Okay. So I'm gonna copy you, paste you right there. Sweet. Okay. So now let's write the front end of unsubmitting. It's just a button. I'm just gonna give ID. And it's unsubmit. So just gonna do a quick script in JavaScript. So here comes the document. .get element .id submit .onClick equals parenthesis like that. Oh, okay. Here's when it comes interesting. Okay. So I basically want to display this. Style display is hidden. Yeah. I'm gonna outsmart myself. Okay, so I'm gonna paste you like that. So technically speaking, you still can have access to the form, but there's definitely a better if statement way to do it. But you know, okay. So I'm gonna give you an ID. We're gonna call it submit form, right? And then here we're gonna say document get element ID submit form dot style equals to nothing, so it should display. And simultaneously we put that the unsubmit, right? So I'm gonna paste you right there. Unsubmit style gonna have a display. If I remember correctly, that's how it's supposed to set up. Hidden. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go do a fetch slash, which also need a URL. Actually, you know what? I don't even care. Delete. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna change a couple things around then in terms I'm using it. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna copy. Actually, no, I want to copy this part. Okay, so in URL, comma right there. Okay. Now let's go here and we can write a fetch. Okay. So fetch the only thing provides post. That's it. Okay. Honestly, I don't care about the return status code. I just want to make sure send it and then delete, right? Like that. Yeah. Okay. So now time to make it dynamic. Let's hope we passed in. We have classroom. Classroom.class.join code, right? So it's going to be classroom.join code /assignment. We have to have the slug, shouldn't we? Okay, assignment. Assignment.slug. /delete. Okay. Let's see what it works. Hopefully it works in one try. I mean, not likely, but okay. It didn't work already. Display is hidden. Oh, is it display none? It might be display none. Okay, there you go. All right. Oh. Submit. See if it actually worked. Ooh. Perfect. It worked. All right. So now they can also unsubmit, and then they can always submit again. So perfect. Yeah. So we finished with the submitting interface for now. Next video, we're going to working on the teacher interface. So the teacher will be able to see different students, their submission, and grade them. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That was me. Out.